Hi, Sophie Nelson here. As we approach October break, we thought it'd be nice to look back on what we've done this term. At the start of this year, we were lucky enough to have most of the students return to school in person. This meant they were able to enjoy the beautiful weather and outdoor activities on campus.
I really gotta hold on.
Even the students in quarantine found a way to go to class. Like every year at Townshend, we were excited to welcome new students and new staff members to our community, including new dorm parents for the girls' dorm, joining us from Moldova, and new primary school staff from Croatia and the United Kingdom. Speaking of primary school, here's a little preview of some of the fun that goes on there. In the first few weeks, we also had a welcome gathering hosted by our local Baha'i community. With the new school year ahead, the boys also made sure their hairstyles were looking fresh.
When I look in the mirror, I'm not sure how to do. I got the superstar glow, so to the boogie. A side step right left to my beat. I like the moon rock with me, baby. Know that I got that heat. Let me show you 'cause talk is cheap. Side step right left to my beat. Get it, let it roll.
Before we knew it, the students were off on their week-long camp adventures. The purpose of these camps is to educate students about the environment, immerse them in nature, and develop their team building and cooperative skills. Once everybody had arrived back from camp, Level 4 students hosted their first party of the year, a chance for everybody to dance and enjoy being together. Something new this year was the introduction of Enrichment Day. Every Wednesday, students have been participating in enhanced learning activities, developing new skills which you normally would not find in a traditional school curriculum. And then in the afternoon, they find ways in which they can be of service to the community. Finally, to end the term on a positive note, our final week has been dedicated to mental health awareness. This was a chance for students and staff to openly talk about mental health, with everyone dressing in yellow and sharing positive thoughts with one another.
Love is still the answer. answer.
Overall, we've had an excellent first term, and we look forward to seeing the positive energy continue on for the rest of the year. For now, have a refreshing break, and we'll see you soon.